GCon was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in College Station, Texas. GCon designs, builds, and installs prefabricated, turnkey, CGMP-compliant clean room solutions, known as pods. GCon has global manufacturing capabilities. Clients include 6 of the top 10 global pharma companies, and as our business has grown, so have we. Let us take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of the facility and the people that make GCon what it is today. GCon has in-house project management, engineering, automation, quality, and commissioning. The project management team leads the design-build of clean room pods from receipt of purchase order to project closeout. The project engineering team prepares shop drawings of architectural, structural, HVAC, mechanical piping, plumbing, process piping, and electrical systems. These shop drawings aid the manufacturing staff in efficient manufacturing. Our automation team offers clients options for different levels of automation in their pods. GCon has purchasing, receiving, inventory, and logistics personnel on site. All pods are built at GCon's 260,000 square foot manufacturing facility in College Station, Texas, and our 120,000 square foot facility in Kilkenny, Ireland. GCon can build clean rooms up to 24 feet high, with clean room areas ranging from small single suites to large-scale multi-ballroom areas. Our prefabrication allows rapid construction, installation, and validation. GCon offers standard pods, a ready-to-go CGMP suite that can be delivered in less than 3 months. GCon also has dedicated teams that install pods worldwide. GCon has a dedicated quality and commissioning team. Our robust quality management system is ISO 9001 certified and meets ISO and EU regulations. GCon's quality control team executes QC checklists throughout the pod build, from superstructure fabrication through site installation. All of these functions are critical to being able to deliver a clean room facility that is CGMP compliant. GCon has the only pre-designed, prefabricated, and pre-qualified clean room infrastructures on the market. This allows for credible planning for pharmaceutical manufacturing capacity needs, avoiding early and unnecessary investments and delays to drug production. At GCon, we aren't just making rooms, we are making environments where life-saving medications are being made. At GCon, we are building for life.